Technology advancement has made things simpler and easier for us. Freelancing is the buzzword in today's marketplace and businesses. Both big and small are always on the lookout for freelancing services to get their jobs done. So how do you find a genuine freelance service? Well, online portals like Fiverr put an end to these woes. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects freelancers to potential customers. Anyone can join, post their services, and start earning income. Fiverr is the biggest online marketplace for digital freelancing services in the world. Launched in 2010, their network is rapidly expanding with more than 1.9 million gigs services on Fiverr across 120 categories listed each day. Thanks to Fiverr, freelancers are now easily making up to $1,000 every month. Sounds exciting though, isn't it? So if you can offer freelancing services, simply register and make money on Fiverr. First, let's talk about setting up your profile. It's important to create a professional-looking profile with a clear description of what services you plan to offer on Fiverr. Choose a category that is applicable to the services you plan to offer and try to use relevant keywords to make your profile easier to find. Next, you need to decide how much to charge for your services. According to the website, standard rates for beginners start at $5 for basic services. You can create package deals for additional services or charge product fees on a case-by-case basis. Now, let's move on to how to get clients. When first starting out, you should network with other Fiverr users by joining communities and offering advice to other people. This will help create a positive reputation and make it easier to get clients. Another option is to post your Fiverr services on social media and other platforms. This is a great way to target potential clients who may not be aware of Fiverr. Finally, it is important to focus on providing high-quality services and going above and beyond for your clients. This will help you build a positive reputation and keep clients coming back for more. Here are some of the best and high-paying services you can offer on Fiverr. Number 1. Offer tutoring and consulting services. The online education industry is valued at $243 billion, according to Statista, a data reporting company. Consulting is traditionally thought of as a more corporate service, but the term applies to anyone whose experience or insight would be valuable to a certain group of people. For example, you could be a college student who tutors other college students or an online coach offering virtual consulting services. Fiverr is a great platform to offer consulting services that are delivered online through software tools like Zoom and can include a variety of service types, such as coaching, tutoring, and advising. Number 2. Become a freelancer, writer, or editor. Another way to make money on Fiverr is through offering freelance writing services. You can ghostwrite content on behalf of individuals, or you can freelance for companies by writing blog posts, social media content, newsletters, emails, sales pages, and even website copy. A sister skill to writing is editing. Written content often needs editing, especially longer forms of content, such as ebooks, white papers, and blog posts. Consider offering both services to cast a wider net. Number 3. Sell various forms of online marketing. E-commerce sales for 2021 were estimated at $870.8 billion, according to data from the US Census Bureau. There's a lot of money to be made online, but for a brand or business to be able to tap into that pool of money, it has to market itself. If you have the bandwidth and the know-how, you can offer online marketing services on Fiverr from the comfort of your own home. Online marketing services include influencer marketing, paid advertising, SEO, organic marketing strategy, social media marketing, and/or email newsletter management. Fiverr offers filtering options to help you put your skill set in front of customers who want to hire someone like you. Number 4. Design graphics, logos, and book covers. One of the primary ways people made money when Fiverr first launched was graphic design. Entrepreneurs, content creators, and even companies need graphics for their website, newsletters, books, social media platforms, and the different products they sell. If you have design experience or have picked it up as a hobby, you can offer graphic design services on Fiverr and make money. Some graphic design services you can offer include designing book covers for ebooks, creating logos based on customer requests, designing website graphics such as banners, footers, and sidebar images, creating covers for digital information products such as online courses, designing graphics for modules within a training program. Number 5. Build, fix, and maintain websites. Website development powers the internet. Individuals and companies need websites created, but they also need experts to help update and maintain them. You can offer various website services on Fiverr and make the kind of money that helps you build financial independence. Some website services include building websites on WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix, maintaining the backend of websites, including updating apps, fixing errors, and managing comments and posts, fixing poorly designed or built websites, designing individual pages or specific functions, such as shopping carts or membership sites. Number 6. Translate languages as a service. If you speak another language, there is an opportunity to offer translation services on Fiverr. People can hire you remotely to translate in real time, or they can send you documentation that needs translating. You can even provide language lessons virtually through translation services on Fiverr. Some items you can offer to translate include legal documents, articles, social media posts, and language learning lessons. The work can be done online from anywhere in the world. Number 7. Manage social media accounts. Maintaining social media accounts is a lot of work, especially for entrepreneurs and companies who have their hands full with other priorities. If you're good at social media and enjoy spending your time on platforms, you could offer social media management services on Fiverr. This would be a service in which you dictate what you're willing to do. Social media services on Fiverr can be focused on content creation, account management, or both. Perhaps you create post graphics and captions for your client, then hand them over for the client to publish at their leisure. Or perhaps you arrange to have your client give you their logins, and you manage both content and user interactions as part of your overall services. You dictate the terms of what you're willing to do managing someone else's social media, but it could be a great way to make money on Fiverr. Number 8. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants help entrepreneurs and businesses get more done, and the work does not need to happen in an office. If you have time on your hands and don't mind tasky administrative work, virtual assistant services are one of the most popular freelancing categories in Fiverr. These services could include managing email, setting appointments, managing a social media group, or any other online support someone would need. Number 9. Create digital information products. Another way to make money online is through creating and selling digital information products such as ebooks, courses, guides, and anything that involves online education. Digital information products have high profit margins and can make you money while you sleep. Once you've created an information product, you can sell copies of it again and again, even on a platform like Fiverr. Customers may think they're looking for a service, but when they see your information product available for a fraction of the cost, they may realize they could do the job themselves with your pre-recorded guidance and go in that direction instead. Number 10. Teach hobbies you know and enjoy. Are you good at magic? Or maybe something else you could give lessons and teach to others? There are hobbies and activities you enjoy doing that could make you money on Fiverr. There's an audience for almost any hobby, and these users want to pay you to learn and grow. Fiverr has evolved dramatically in recent years and has become a global freelancer marketplace that covers all types of services. How to find work on Fiverr? To find work on Fiverr, all you have to do is visit the official website and enter the task you're searching for in the search bar. Suppose if you are a content writer, you can type content writing or blog writing in the search bar and type the enter button. As soon as you hit the enter button, you will see all the relevant gigs listed and you can choose from the list to get started with work. How to get jobs on Fiverr? To get jobs on Fiverr, start with low gigs. Starting with low gigs will help you to get good feedback on the websites. The quality of feedback plays a key role in performing better in search results, and thus your visibility increases. With the help of visibility, you can easily accept the offers and start working on the various projects. How much can a beginner earn from Fiverr? As a beginner on Fiverr, you can expect to earn around $100 to $200 per month. This amount can vary depending on the quality of your gigs, the demand for your services, and how much time you put into promoting your gigs. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.